Who's most likely to steal the thunder at a party?
Jaideep's dance moves.
I think Jaideep sir can be framed for something.
ऐसा कि हाँ किसी ने तो पक्का चुराया होगा.
The first one to arrive on sets.
Sorry, what?
First one.
Navdeep,
Film sets.
Film set.
चालू रहो.
अब किसने बोला ये?
मैंने.
Pathaan.
Bahubali. No, this is Tanaji.
You don't use bad language, sir.
Skibidi.
What is
Skibidi मतलब उसकी बीड़ी.
Benching.
ट्रेन का वेट करते कि जो बेंच पे बैठे हो.
Fake Instagram ID.
That's what Nikita has.
Insta.
I don't think I've ever met a Gen Z person speaking this kind of language.
ले जाएंगे. हमारी तरफ देख ही नहीं रहे हो.
हमें देखो, हमें भी देखो.
Okay, I'll just see the team. Okay, Jaideep at this point. No.
Sir, we are winning.
अब तू खाली इधर देख.
Okay, we'll play a game right now. It's called Who's Most Likely To. I'm gonna quickly give you situations और आपको बताना है कि आप पांचों में से कौन एक्चुअली वो कर सकता है. किया है नहीं पता, बट कर सकता है for sure. Who's most likely to steal the thunder at a party?
yeah.
You.
Say Jaideep's dance moves.
Yeah.
Yeah. With that, ask him to do it.
No, if I ask him, I think he's sitting very close.
Yeah, he might.
मुझे पड़ जाएगी एक दो.
He might eat you up.
But he's actually come and danced only, so it's okay. Steal the attention with their outfits.
We all know that.
Clothes.
That was very much the intention. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe.
It's a compliment.
Yeah, of course.
Happily take it.
Insulting.
मैं रेड सन बन के बैठा हूँ.
Who's most likely to steal someone else's lover with their drop-dead gorgeous looks?
No, I don't know.
It could be Sid. It could be Sid.
Sid sir.
You'll steal somebody else's lover.
Yeah.
ये प्रोड्यूसर की वैल्यू नहीं होती है.
But Seth, everybody, I also feel that. Don't you think it's Seth?
Obviously.
I'm
That's
just sitting
an
in the
act.
middle. Why should I steal?
Get caught in the act while stealing something. चोरी करने वक्त पकड़े जाएंगे.
Seth.
Achha, so you have to be really bad at that. Obviously.
Him? Do you think it's?
He won't get caught. He's quite smart.
How do you know?
I don't know. You give that vibe that you're very smart. If you had to
It's
steal
all about
something, you'd
giving
get
the
it.
vibe.
But have you ever gotten caught while stealing something?
I've never stolen anything.
Nice answer.
Right answer, yeah?
Correct answer. Okay, be framed for stealing something that they did. बेचारा मतलब.
Kunal. I think so. He'll pass that.
कल देख के लगता
थोड़ी
है
है.
कि मैं थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
भोला
Poor
टाइप.
thing.
हाँ, बेचारा.
What do you think?
मतलब
Who can be framed for stealing something? Kunal. Saif? You also think it's Kunal?
Framed for stealing something.
No, मतलब framed for stealing something they did.
मतलब like an
बेचारा
innocent
फंस गया.
बेचारा मतलब.
You don't look bichari, you're too kind of big to be a...
But like look at my face. It's got that.
Yeah, you're
Showing his
trying to...
dimples right now. Yeah.
I think Jaideep sir can be framed for something for stealing.
He must have
Yes,
stolen.
yes.
No, I
That
think he
must
can
have
frame people.
ऐसा कि हाँ किसी ने तो पक्का चुराया होगा. Saif sir is fully convinced.
Who's the first one to arrive on sets?
Sorry, what?
First one arrive on sets.
हाँ sets.
S-E-T-S.
Film sets. Oops.
Sets.
Navdeep.
Sets.
Film sets.
Film sets.
Good. I was about to say
Hey,
Seth for that.
ठीक बोलो यार ठीक से बोलो.
भाई यूनिवर्सल पिक्चर है हमारी.
It's usually me.
हम सब प्रोफेशनल हैं, सब टाइम पे आते हैं.
सबसे पहले कौन आता है?
अरे ऐसे कोई नोट थोड़ी ना करता है कि अभी आज
पता करते हैं कि कोई आया है कि नहीं आया है.
Producer
सबसे
will
पहले
say.
कौन आता है? Who comes first?
आप मुझसे पूछो लास्ट कौन आता है.
Last कौन आता है? Next वाला वही है.
पहले वो आता है जिसका कॉल टाइम सबसे पहले.
अच्छा.
अब डिपेंड करता है ना, कॉल टाइम अलग अलग भी तो हो सकता है.
Last one to arrive on sets.
सिद्धार्थ सर.
Me.
All of you agree.
I don't know. Like,
I don't
not keeping
say-
a track.
You in the press conference said that he is the one who arrives last. Did you?
But वो पिछले वाला
Talking
press
about salam namaste. He's saying one of the changes that have happened over the years is that my timing has become like a Swiss watch.
He arrives first on sets.
Set. film sets. Who's most likely to take the longest to get ready?
In her, naturally.
It's
yeah.
default. It's default. Yeah.
Default.
Who's most likely to be absolutely brutal with their opinion on a film?
हाँ, yeah. ये तो मतलब हाँ, बिल्कुल.
But like in the most
I think
appreciated
it's
way.
honest.
Yeah,
The
that's
honest
what, the most appreciated.
You are also very honest. You are blue.
No, I think honesty is a very seriously a overrated kind of thing. Yeah, I think you should just be polite and nice and make things up when it makes people feel better, especially at this stage.
But I want to know, has there ever been a situation in life where you have had to pay the price for being honest?
Yeah, no, because I learned this recently. I've learned this. I knew someone once who said, you know, people who say things like, you know, मैं तो मुंह पट हूँ and I can't help it, I'm very honest. But I think that's very bad. I think you should make an effort to be a little dishonest sometimes and say, no, you look lovely and you know.
मुंह फट के चक्कर में बदतमीजी बहुत आसानी से कर दी जाती है.
No, it's not.
No, he was just like that.
I think we have to
Honest.
be a little
नहीं,
more
बदतमीज
like.
कब?
Okay.
You just called me charming some time ago.
No, but that's.
Thank you, sir.
And this is a lie. That's true is a lie.
But no, you can't. What did I think Bhatt Sahab once said? You can't take a dump on my head and call it honesty. You know, don't do that.
Who's most likely to be the one sugarcoating it? Like sugarcoating their opinions?
No, I think none of these, because they are actually very, very like brutally honest, and which is what I would expect from from my team. And so yeah, none of them are sugarcoating. They are very brutal.
Who's most likely to be the loudest or quietest on the set? Loudest and quietest on the set.
I think Jaideep sir can be the quietest.
Quietest. Okay.
And also the loudest.
I can be quite loud.
You are loud.
Can be.
Who's most likely to abuse when things don't go right? बताओ.
And the choicest of words.
I was brought up in the 90s in the movie industry. The language is colorful.
आज सुबह से किसी ने मतलब खाया है ऐसे कलरफुल लैंग्वेज आपसे? आप किसी से? नहीं?
Wrote the book, but you don't use bad language. So
Who's most likely to be the best dancer in the group?
Jaideep.
Oh, we know now.
Yeah.
For sure. Who?
Nikita.
it should be you.
I mean,
Nikita.
he's the one who's trending right now.
Doubt.
Actually, I have to say Sid has some deadly moves.
Who's overtly critical with their work?
How long is this list? Oh my God!
Who's overtly critical?
Just turn the page.
I just.
Who's the?
The page
Long
just
question.
started.
Who's overtly critical with their work?
Seth. I'll tell you honestly,
I'm-
he is
Seth, sir.
critical to a point of annoyance. Because he is critical about everything. He's skeptical, he's cynical. But that is a good quality because it really keeps you on your toes. And he's not easily impressed.
You know, it's one of those qualities you said that you wouldn't want to steal, but you know it's the nice one, so you'll just be like, keep it, this is the one. Where he's very particular, but you know it's coming from a good place.
Okay, so now basically we have social media influencers with us and fans. So before we move on to you guys, there's something that you can help your favorite person with. यहाँ पे कुछ terms है. These are Gen Z terms, and you have to tell me the meaning of these. And let me tell you guys that even I had to Google them.
क्यों हमें क्यों इंसल्ट कर रहे हो यहाँ पर?
नहीं, बहुत मजा वाला आएगा. ये आपको guess तो करना ही पड़ेगा. Delulu. First word is
Delusional.
Delusional.
Yeah.
See?
But
That's an easy one.
that's
But
very
she
easy,
is
yeah.
Gen Z.
Okay, I'll take it. Thanks.
Ah,
शुरुआत तो अच्छे से ही करेंगे ना इजी वाले से. Skibidi.
It's used with toilet, no? Something to do
Skibidi.
with...
Skibidi.
No.
Skibidi बोलते हैं
Kibidi
ना?
sounds like being
Scooby-Doo?
very like
Something to do with that.
we do.
evasive. What is like skiddy?
What is it?
क्या spelling
What
क्या
is?
Skibidi. Skibidi. You're googling.
Does anybody know what this really actually means
Does
here?
anybody know here what's Skibidi?
Nobody here. These are Gen Z influencers and they don't know.
It's a gaming term.
की बीड़ी मतलब उसकी बीड़ी. उसकी बीड़ी.
I don't think I've ever met a Gen Z person speaking this kind of language.
No, they confused.
Thank
It's more
you.
Gen Alpha. Skibidi is more Gen Alpha though.
Is it like being skiddy, like evasive?
And I'm
Like
telling you something. I think
Can't
in
be so
movies
smart.
you should focus
Someone-
on Gen X.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, basically it's like something
Gen
that's
Z.
cool, that can be cool or extremely dumb depending on the context. Like it can be used to express dumbness or coolness.
Only you
Like
use
this
way.
interview.
What is it? What is it?
Something that can be cool or dumb depending on the context. Skibidi.
How does it correlate?
वही तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. That's such a skibidi joke. Who will understand whether I'm complimenting or marrying Tana?
हमारे टाइप उसको क्यूट बोलते थे.
मुझे पता नहीं. Benching. Benching. It's a dating term. Benching. चलो I'm helping.
Like a chest press in the gym? No.
It's a
नहीं, वो
dating term. Benching.
ट्रेन का वेट करते हैं जो बेंच पे बैठे होते हैं.
हाँ, हाँ.
ट्रेन के वेट में जो बेंच पे बैठना होता है.
Train पे तो बैठे.
वेटिंग फॉर द
What?
Waiting.
व्हाट?
Like
You're
you're
waiting. Oh, you're dating and you keep somebody waiting.
Yes.
Oh.
Oh,
It's like having a
Fantastic.
substitute.
like a backup option.
Backup.
Acha. So I'm benching someone. So she's
Nikita, what
My
you were doing day
backup.
before yesterday?
Red flag. ये
Red flag's easy.
obvious. Yeah. that's
Yeah.
it.
अरे वो जो रशिया का फ्लैग है,
China.
चाइना का.
What do you think, Seb? What is the most red flag quality in you that you feel? Like as
Me?
a husband that you feel कि अच्छा ये मेरे
I have no red flag qualities. I'm exactly flag, man. I'm as green as you can get.
What about you? Do you think there are any red flags?
I am red.
You're just red. Any red flags?
No, I just have green flags.
Green flag.
It's all good.
सब green flag ही है. Finsta. Finsta.
A fake Instagram ID. Yeah, it's a
Instagram
Finsta.
That's what Nikita has.
Finsta.
I don't. Seth has one definitely.
Instagram ID.
I don't even
Finsta.
have Insta.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah.
But you have a Finsta which you
No.
check other
No.
people's
No,
Insta
no,
with.
सर ने वो डिलीट कर दिया 2-3
I
महीने पहले.
deleted Instagram 3 months ago, and
Yeah.
I've never been happier. Thank you. I'm the very.
Listen, but you never
And
had
it-
like there are people in your family who have Finsta,
It's called Finsta. And
which is Ranveer.
I don't know.
He does. He
I don't know.
admitted to having it. Okay, drip.
Drip is cool. Like you're very cool, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
your outfits are cool. Okay,
Got one fine.
Riz,
That's charisma.
Charisma.
charisma. Okay, salty.
Not okay. Not okay.
जैसे गुलजार
Like
साहब
things
ने
are
कहा था.
salty between us. Something like that. Like
Yeah.
Like touchy. Like not like sensitive,
Upset.
hypersensitive.
Upset.
We are going to play a game with them, but we will have the influencers. I'm shocked that they were not informed about it. But we are basically going to give you guys one teammate
Okay.
from the influencers. एक आप चूज करोगे और आपको आपके पास वो टीममेट होगा जिसका भी नाम आएगा. They can come on stage.
और हम पिकल बॉल खेलेंगे.
नहीं, and there will be there's a quiz. There's a movie quiz that I'm going to do. So we'll start with Jaideep sir.
गलत बैठ गया मैं इसके नजदीक.
ये पर्स अच्छा है यार. Housey.
Shrija Bagwe. So you are in team Jaideep Ahlawat.
Quiz,
Come.
hello.
Turn sir.
Oh,
You can announce the name.
Vidhur Dhar.
So you are in team Saif.
there's the Nishka Sharma.
You are in team Nikita. Shrijita Chatterjee. She's here. Soumya Bharadwaj. Come. अब हम खेलेंगे एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग गेम. I hope you guys like it. See, because there are influencers.
I'm feeling like I'm in a 12-year-old children's party or something. Something about this.
No, we are gonna play
Musical chairs.
guess the
Yeah, it's
Bollywood
like a-
movie.
Which is fun. Yay!
It should be fun for you.
I'm having fun, of course. Yeah.
Guess the Bollywood movies from their Ghibli images. Okay? Ghibli images. Ghibli is basically like a new
Cartoon,
trend
cartoon.
जहाँ पे आप लोगों को
Animation, I don't know. मैं अभी पूछा मैंने.
graphic,
Like the
cartoon
Japanese art
versions
which is
है
now.
Got
of
it.
the movies.
Okay.
It can be iconic scenes or the posters. Any of you can guess. Okay, you have a mic.
Hamper क्या है?
So you're guessing or I'm guessing? What are you're
हाँ,
going to help us?
यही है सब अपनी अपनी
Oh, we are
लोग हैं.
team.
We all can guess.
Okay.
जो भी सबसे ज्यादा करेक्ट आंसर देगा उसको नेटफ्लिक्स हैम्पर देंगे. ये मैं
I thought ज़्यादा पैसे देंगे.
No team, it's a team.
ओके ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट.
Oh, we have to look that.
चालू रहो.
Oh, you did it.
अब किसने बोला ये?
मैंने.
किसने बोला?
He said it. It's his movie, yaar. You can't do
I
this.
think we should give
Yeah.
Steps spin. Who knows? You might also get it.
ध्यान रखो आप लोग कौन पहले
And
बोल
what a film, guys! Can we just
जॉब
have a round of applause? अभी री-रिलीज हुई थी मूवी और हमने जाके देखी. I watched it 3 times again. Next.
ये जवानी है
ये
दीवानी.
जवानी है दीवानी.
See, he was faster. ये जवानी है दीवानी 2 हाँ? यार, killing it, team Steps, killing it. Next.
और तमाशा. That
I
was.
think she did.
Give it to us.
I got it right.
I think she did. I think she did.
Hello. He's working.
Who did? No, but I genuinely feel that Jaideep sir's team. What's your name?
All right.
Shrija's got it.
ठीक है.
2-1. अभी मैं इनको देखता हूँ next ना बोल के. हाँ. Next.
और
बाहुबली.
No, this is Tanaji. No, Bahubali.
बोला बाकी बम्बल कर गए. बाहुबली. बाहुबली. I said it.
किसने बोला?
I said it. The cheating.
Nikita's team. Nikita's team.
तुम यहाँ क्या देख रहे थे फिर?
सर इतने जोर से ऐसे बोले.
This one said it.
No, they all fumbled. She said Bahubali first.
Yeah, you stand here.
Let me watch it like this, okay?
You're at a
Next.
very biased position. You're just. Om Shanti Om.
Oh, we were not ready. We were not ready.
हमने तो देखा भी नहीं.
2.
No, next. ये 0 है.
1
Got
1
one.
0
Got
1.
one.
हम देख नहीं रहे थे उधर.
Okay. At the queue next.
Hera Fairy.
तुम हमारी तरफ देख ही नहीं रहे हो.
हमें देखो. हमें भी देखो.
Kunal's team actually got this. मुझे भी लगा कि कुणाल की टीम को मिला है. 2-1-1. All of them are at 1. You are at 2.
Yeah.
Next.
और
ले जाएंगे.
I said BDS. I said first. I said first.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
No, I said first. है ना? I said first. No, I said it first. See, it's the audience vote.
I think I will give it to everybody.
अरे?
Yeah,
ठीक है.
everybody.
ठीक है.
3 2 2 2 2. Next.
और तारे जमीन पर. I said तारे जमीन पर.
See, both of you said it at the
Oh.
same time. Her and her. What's your name?
Srijita.
Okay, I'll just say the team, okay? Jaideep sir's team and Kunal's team will get this point. 2 2 2.
3.
No, I'm. No.
Seb sir, we are winning. We are at 3.
Not the first 2. Oh my God.
We are very competitive, भाई.
Salty.
We are very competitive. अब तू खाली इधर देख.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं भैया, उधर से जा रहे हैं मेरे लोग. Next.
शोले.
Sholay.
This one I did not.
Kunal, it's Kunal.
Kunal. 3 2 2 4. Yeah, 4.
How many more are there?
I-
Just so I know how to pace my energy.
I don't know. Next.
How many more are there?
Next.
भूल भुलैया. I said it first.
I said it first.
Bulaya.
Bulbulaya.
Huh?
I said it first.
What?
I did.
Siddharth's team. No, I knew this is you.
Hello.
Next.
चलो now.
It's me.
Nikita.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. It's me.
Nikita.
Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
I think Nikita.
It's me,
Last
it's me,
one.
it's me.
Take the last one.
Pathan. Who won? Who won?
Had
Who
you
won,
not
right?
got that?
I think according to scores, Kunal's team did win. But I will request Netflix that even if Netflix doesn't send you gifts, I'm going to send you from my end. Or whatever you want, I will send to all 5 of you.
Yeah.
Netflix, please give it to them and thank you so much for doing this.